Permission time!
Hi friends, welcome to Bhamisha's Time channel. Today I am going to speak about Florence Nightingale. Guess the reason and put it in the comment section within 10 seconds. Yes, she is a British nurse and social reformer who dedicated her life to improvement of health sector. She is remembered around the world as the lady with lamp who took care of the wounded soldiers of British Army and their allied forces during the Crimean War. She set standard of healthcare and nursing in the medical camp and hospitals during the war. Later, she established Nightingale Training School at St. Thomas Hospital to provide training to nurses and healthcare workers in 1860. Thus, International Nurse Day is a special day to honor and celebrate the contribution of nurses all over the world. The day is celebrated on Florence Nightingale's birthday on May 12 every year since 1974. Chosen by International Council of Nurses. The theme for the 2022 resource is Nurses, a voice to lead, invest in nurses and respect to secure global health. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you for likes, comments, sharing and subscribing to Bhamisha's Time channel. If not yet done, please like, share and comment and subscribe to Bhamisha's Time channel. Happy International Nurses Day. உலக செவிலியர் தினம் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Permission time!